Experience the epitome of luxury living in this stunning golf cottage nestled within the prestigious Great Waters gated community at Reynolds Lake, Oconee. This exquisite residence boasts an open floor plan featuring 2 generously sized bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, offering both comfort and privacy. The expansive dining area seamlessly flows into the great room, creating an ideal space for entertaining. The master suite is a true retreat, complete with a jetted tub, separate shower, and dual sink vanity. The well-appointed kitchen showcases granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. A covered front porch and a spacious rear deck provide spectacular views of the meticulously maintained golf course. Recent upgrades enhance the home's appeal, including new LVP flooring and plantation shutters throughout, new HVAC system, updated lighting, ceiling fans, a Nest thermostat, and Ring security cameras and lights ensure comfort and security. Please note, this property does not include a golf membership.